Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to practice speaking and listening in English. It's a really amazing opportunity that we have with technology here to help us do this. I just went to a conference and learned about how helpful this is for language learning. And I think it's very useful because many of my students don't have friends to speak English with, or they don't go to a job where they speak English. They just don't have enough opportunities to practice the language. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. And also just remember, it's not a human, right? But it's pretty good. Okay, so from the app, you do have to download the app. You just want to click on these little headphones down here, and that's how you start talking. When you do that, you can ask it questions, you can talk about the news, you can upload pictures and ask it to describe the picture to you. You can ask for jokes, you can have it explain concepts, but really, I mean, just you could do this while you're getting ready in the morning, just have a conversation. Hey, are you there? No, no, hold on. So you tap on the headphones at the bottom. Hey, are you there? Oh, good.
You were describing something about it. Could you explain a bit more?
Oh, no, I was just looking for my headphones in my room.
Got it. Did you manage to find them?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. Glad you found them. Ready to listen to something good now?
Yeah, what are you going to tell me?
Well, that depends on what you're in the mood for. Are you looking for a music recommendation, a podcast, or maybe just something fun to chat about?
I just want to chat.
Perfect. What's been on your mind lately?
The news. It's been really sad. Let's talk about the news. Okay, so for example, that's how you can start a conversation and then go back and forth and back and forth. And if you're not clear in the way that you express yourself in English, I think that it will also tell you, can you repeat that? And it will ask you to clarify, which is actually kind of similar to what we do when we're speaking to someone that we don't understand. So that's pretty cool. So I hope that this has helped you and given you some ideas. There are endless possibilities in terms of what you can talk about. The point is that now you have someone to talk to for free. It's not a real person, but it's going to give you that practice where you can produce the language without fear, of being judged if you make a mistake or something. All right, have fun. Bye-bye.